Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are here again back with the most demanded collection of borderless fancy soft silk sarees. Most of these collections are coming in borderless type, but few we have introduced with border due to the customer request. These collections are coming in both dark and light shades. And about the design, beautiful buttas are running all over the body along with rich contrast or running pallu and a plain blouse. For weaving, we have used copper, silver and golden sarees. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number. And also, please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer the amount to our account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. As it is a most demanded and fast moving item, the stock be finishing within hours after posting the video and also after posting the pictures in groups. So if you wanted a quick update, you can even join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. And don't worry if you are not getting a stock. If you are waiting, we will be try our maximum for restocking this collection. Also, Bonadia thank all of you for your consistent support. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.